broadcast network operators, there are four main challenges. The first one is to ensure the proper network coverage. The second challenge would be the cost per subscriber. And digital terrestrial television with cost per household between 0.2 and 2 euros is still the most efficient and cheapest way to deliver television. Challenge number 3 would be to have a very good network quality. This implies that broadcast interruptions due to failures are unacceptable, and also the maintenance interventions should be as small as possible. And challenge number 4, some operators already passed this phase. Some of them are right now into the phase of migration from analog to digital, and it should be done in the smoothest way possible. Of course, these 4 challenges also reflects in the antenna feeder system, and we have identified 3 key factors regarding the antenna feeder systems. The key element number 1 is the design. The key element number 2 is the product solutions, and the key element number 3 is the rollout, the network implementation, and the support. Design, the first key element, may be one of the most important because it has direct impact also on the other 2 key elements. And here is important the electrical design and also the mechanical design. Electrical design is important in order to achieve the desired coverage and the desired diagram. Mechanical design always comes with the challenges that operators are facing in terms of mast space or in terms of special conditions of working. And balancing the 2 of them, so the electrical design and the mechanical design, we can obtain the most in terms of gain of the antenna and also lightness of the design. Key element number 2, product solutions. And you have here the first example of low power antennas combined with plug and play antennas. For example, this was the solution chosen by the operator in Ukraine, and we have delivered these antennas. This one solution. Another solution could be a network based on high power antennas, like this one in the picture. UHF from Serbia, UHF from Bulgaria, and FM and VHF from Romania. In terms of product innovation, we have our own breathing system, which allows the network operation without the dehydrator, which is very important in terms of maintenance costs and reliability. And I will not say more about the products because I don't want to ruin the presentation of my colleague from Germany. You will have a lot of information about our products in Kathrein in the next presentation. Also, at key element number 2, the production. You have to have also the production capabilities to produce the demand of the network operators. And we have 2 production facilities, currently one in Rosenheim in our headquarters and one in Timișoara. You need to have the ability to design the antenna systems, and also the hardware is very important because it should respect some particularities of the place where the antennas will be installed. But of course, design, production, and also delivery to the site is nothing without the final installation. In order that the network is running, you need also to commission the antenna system. You need to take the antenna, like in this picture, from the base of the station up to the mast. And this requires a lot of effort. This requires a lot of proper coordination for the teams in the field. We also can adapt and provide from case to case and from the requirements that we encounter on the field, traditional methods of installation or helicopter installation where the speed is very important. And of course, always you have to have in mind the final goal, and this is in-time network deployment. As an example, this is the traditional way of installing the antenna systems. You have also some nice pictures with the workers which are installing the antenna piece by piece. Especially a challenge is to install the hardware of the antennas, because you see that the PCs are lifted with the small crane, and then the panels are mounted on the steel structure. You have some more detailed pictures over the installing phases. This one is a site in Serbia, and I think that it's a pretty precise, and also safety is very important in this kind of installation. In terms of special projects, one of them was the site Avala, close to Belgrade, and basically we had to install all three antenna systems, FM, VHF and UHF, with everything ready on the mast. Additional challenge, not to damage anything, and we had to work very precise and very well coordinated. Another example of a challenge was to accommodate all the big feeder cables into this mast, which was not designed initially for such installation. And we had to carefully plan it and to carefully evaluate all the risks and take the right decisions and do the right measures. But of course, we finally succeeded. When the implementation speed is very critical and the transmission interruptions are also very important, mainly used in the transition from analog to digital, we have the possibility to install the antenna systems with the helicopter, to remove the old antenna system with the helicopter and to install the new antenna systems, the digital one, with the helicopter. And it's very fast, it's very reliable, and with the minimum transmission interruptions. But of course, this requires mostly very careful advanced preparations, especially in the case when you have an old antenna system that you want to remove. So you have to prepare the site at least with 1 week in advance. You have to remove the old antenna system, and then you have to install the new one with the helicopter. And usually the helicopter stays in the air no more than 10 minutes. Everything should be ready for displacement of the old antenna system and installment of the new antenna system. An overview of the Katrain Broadcast division today. We have our R&D, which is continuously improving and delivering new solutions and new innovative products. R&D is situated in our headquarters in Rosenheim, Bavaria. We have the 2 production facilities which can cope with the delivery demands. Here in Timișoara, you will visit it tomorrow, and in Germany. And one very important aspect with which we support the broadcaster is the service and the full integration of the antenna system in their network. This is what we can offer, and this is what we are focusing, and we try to provide the full support towards the full satisfaction of our clients. Thank you very much.